Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be discussing everything Pepe. Over the past 24 hours, been receiving a lot of comments from my viewers asking for Pepe coverage, so this is for you guys. If we're looking at the price, you guys can see there's still 6 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 634,478, down 0.1% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. But if we're looking at Bitcoin comparative, it's up 0.1%. Looking at its market cap, $267.2 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 30 million. And Pepe's rank currently is at that top 112th spot. So what exactly is next? Are we about to see a move happening within the price of Pepe? That's what we're going to discuss. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, one thing I've mentioned to you guys before in my previous Pepe update was the holder count, and I mentioned in that video that, the holder count has been increasing despite the fact that, the price has been consolidating at the current levels, and we haven't really heard too much from the team, but, the holder count continues to increase, and we haven't really seen this type of growth in the holder count for quite some time now. And again, this is a positive thing without a doubt. And this is the only positive thing that's happening within Pepe right now. As far as the team is concerned, absolutely ghost town for the team. And that is one of the biggest red flags I've been mentioning, for quite some time now, possibly a few months at this point, because we started seeing the team act really shady, which has gotten me saying that, the team hasn't been pulling their weight as far as, marketing and of course engagement goes. Now let's take a look at their official X profile. You can see this for yourself. Last tweet, they really didn't tweet themselves, but you can see Ledger came out and says we're giving away 2 prototype Pepe edition Ledger Nano X's. Check out the first comment to find out how to enter. So this right here is a Pepe edition Ledger, and I think this is helping them quite substantially, even though it's not some sort of official collaboration between the two. But Ledger came out and made a limited edition Ledger with the green font, the green color, and a lot of people are coming and getting excited. Wow, Ledger is using a Pepe as their limited edition. This is really great, and that is what, in my opinion, is causing this upwards trend occurring within the price of Pepe. And sure, we haven't really seen the team tweet, like I've said, ghost town, but they did repost this, and of course that shows that they are active, and that is causing some excitement within the community for Pepe. Now let's take a look at the price and see what is happening and what are some next targets that we can be aiming for. So if we're looking at some buys coming in, some massive buys, a 43k buy coming in as well today, 6k, 7k, 5. You guys can see some people are definitely accumulating, so we do see the correlation really playing out as far as the holders upward trajectory is concerned. So what are some next targets that we could be aiming for? Let's zoom in to the charts right now. So as you can really see for Pepe, we have pretty much been seeing a lot of sideways momentum. It has not gone below the September 21 low, and we have yet to go and retest that, so that is a great thing. We're holding quite strong around this range. But what we did see happen just on the 16th, when the Ledger announcement came out, you can see Pepe went up to the 71.63 zone, but we have seen a retracement. And of course, Bitcoin also saw this move happening. And I think this is why Pepe moved, of course, because of the Bitcoin wick towards the 61.8, above that level of resistance. But that news was fake, of course, about the ETF being approved. But we did see the price of Bitcoin going up to $30,000, and that did impact the entire market. And Pepe is the reason, Pepe is also, obviously correlated with the price of Bitcoin, and it did go up as well. But we're back down to where it started. dominance right now is too high for altcoins to really thrive. You can see this for yourself. Bitcoin dominance index is sitting at some new yearly highs. This is something I continuously been talking about on my channel for quite some time, and that is what it's looking like for the dominance. So altcoins right now are not seeing that excitement within themselves. You can see this for yourself. If we're looking at the entire market right now over the course of 24 hours, majority of the coins are in red, and you can see this for yourself. Throughout. Yes, you will see a few here and there coins that are outperforming the entire market, but majority of the market is down right now and is not outpacing Bitcoin, and that should not be a surprise. Dominance is increasing. And as far as Bitcoin is concerned, Bitcoin did make its way past this level of resistance today once again, but that did not last too long. We're making our way back down to the $28,300 mark. So what exactly is next for Pepe? So as far as the volume is concerned, let's take a look at the hourly time frame and kind of compare the buying pressure from that side. So we haven't really seen increase in volume for quite some time. That's remaining quite low, so that is not something that we can get too excited about. But if we do continuously see, and this is what I've talked about in my previous update as well, if we continuously this upwards trajectory happening within the holders, and Pepe's team really starts taking things seriously and starts engaging more often, I think this could give them a second chance. And they need to be more transparent. None of the shady stuff that has happened in the past. I think there could be potentially a second chance for them to really recover. Of course, we have a lot of resistance for Pepe to make its move back towards the upside, but the main resistance still is at this 86 or 85.46 to be exact, and you can see we did get there on October 2nd, but we got rejected at that level of resistance. Of course, we did not have enough buying pressure for it to keep going up. So that is that first target that I'm aiming for right now. So if you were to come and ask me, Crypto ZX, what are some next targets for Pepe that we could be aiming for? This is that target that I've just mentioned at this 84.26 zone, give or take. And once we're able to break out of that range, I think that's where we do have a chance to retest this 1521 zone. But as of now, like I said, the team really needs to continue tweeting, continue being active, and I think this can benefit Pepe in the upcoming weeks ahead. But let me know down below what you guys think right now. Are you guys still holding Pepe? Is this still part of your portfolio? And also let me know if you guys want to see more updates in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.